Alright, so off rip, one thing that I can already tell about this unit is that the frontal does not come plucked at all. The hairline is really straight on it, so you would have to go in and pluck the frontal just for it to look natural. It's definitely giving me wiggy vibes right now because it's not plucked one bit. Also, the hairline is really thick. So yeah, you'll definitely have to go in and pluck this in order for it to look natural. Overall, the hair is really soft. I'm really liking the color so far. I think it's really pretty. I also like the ombre streaks that's right here, the little blonde pieces. So that's what the hair is looking like. I'm just going to turn around to the back to show you guys what the back is working with. So this is the back of this hair. What I do like is that the hair already comes part in the center for you, and it does have a pretty straight part. I actually really like the color in this hair. So it's like a black, then it's like a brown, and then it gradually fades into like the blonde end. So I really like that. So I think it's like a 1B, a number 4, and then a number 30 something. I'm not too sure exactly which number it is, but yeah, those are like the specs. So what I really like about this is the fact that it's completely glueless, and I also thought that once I wet it and, you know, brush it out, the curls are gonna like completely drop, but no, it actually did crimp back up. So I really like that. I'm also really liking the wet look as well. Like I said, you guys, I really love these little blonde streaks right here. They're really cute. Overall, the hair is super soft, definitely giving me life right now. Again, this hair is from Premium Lace Wigs, and this hair is between a 22 to a 24 inch. I'm not exactly sure, but again, like I said, I will have all the details listed down below for you guys. That way you guys can check that out. So again, as you guys saw, the hair does not come with the knots bleached. It does not come pre-plucked for you, so you definitely have to go in and customize that hairline to however your hairline is. You definitely will have to customize it just for it to look natural and not so wiggy on top of your head. I really didn't do much customizing to this wig. The only thing I did was, you know, just pluck some hair out of right here so I can like lay it down and it looks really flat and nice. The wig is completely glueless onto my head right now. I did not hold it down with any adhesive, no glue, no got to be, nothing, and it just feels so snug on my head. Like, I feel like I would be comfortable enough to go out party all night and my wig would still be secured onto my head, so I really won't have to worry about it falling off because that's just how tight and snug it is on my head right now. So I'm really liking that. Also, I did not, like, I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. I'm not lying, I did not glue down nothing. The ear tabs are here. Even if I was to, like, the hair was to blow in the back, you really don't see it, but also if you do want that extra security, then you can definitely go ahead and lay it down with whether you use glue or the got to be spray, or what's your preference of adhesive, go for it. For the others who would prefer a more glueless unit, all you have to do is position this unit properly onto your head, and this is pretty much it. I really didn't do anything to this here at all. What I did was add some water and conditioner. I do have some water and conditioner in my spray bottle here, and for the pieces in the front I did add some of the narrow beef foam and I just squinched it up. So I really recommend this wig. I love it. I had this wig since my birthday. I was actually initially supposed to install this wig for my birthday. This was supposed to be my birthday wig, but I had ended up going with a all back long straight wig. But this wig is gorgeous. I'm actually impressed. I really love the color. They did an amazing job with the color. The hair color is well blended. You know, sometimes you order like ombre hair and then like it's just not blended properly. This one on the other hand, it's definitely properly blended. Like, you guys can see that. Again, very minimal shedding, no tangling so far. I will have all the details listed down below where you guys can purchase this unit. And that's pretty much about it for this here. Thank you guys for tuning back in for another hair video with me. I so appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know how are you guys feeling this unit. Are you guys feeling the color? Let me know what you guys think about it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Also, I will have all the details, the specs on this hair listed down below, so if you do want to purchase this hair, check the description box down below. All the details there, and as usual, my loves, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.